How to share a screen with audio in Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, we will launch Messenger app on a device. Log into your account. Now simply choose the person you want to chat with and open the conversation. After that, tap the video call icon at top right corner of the chat. And if prompted, you simply need to give permission to share photos, videos, and audio. Now, once the person answers the call and the calls begin, tap the three dots at top right corner of the screen. From here, you simply need to tap on call settings and tap audio output. And now, you simply need to choose the speaker. Once done, you need to come back and tap on the icon in the middle of the call interface, and then you need to select share or start sharing. And once you have done that, you need to simply tap on start now, and then you can easily share your screen with audio on Messenger. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.